Now, so problems on Poisson distribution. We know that Poisson distribution is given by P of x is equal to m raised to x e raised to minus m divided by x factorial. Remember, so in a few cases m you have to consider as np, and you need to simplify for the problems here also. Okay, so the first question is, if the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, so just read the question correctly. If the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, determine the chance that out of 2000 individuals more than 2 will get a bad reaction. Okay, so here what happens, they have given, we have from the question 0.001 is nothing but value of P. Okay, and they have given how many individuals, this 2000 is nothing but the value of n. So you got an idea. So when to apply Poisson distribution, n is very large. If n is 20, 30, you can manage with binomial, but n is very large and p is very small. At that time this method is going to be apply and we can get the solution of that. Now, so p we know it, n we know it. Now by Poisson distribution, now Poisson distribution, it is given by P of x is equal to m raised to x e raised to minus m divided by x factorial. So we want the value of m here and x here, but we don't know anything. So we know p, we know n. So therefore this is the formula. So therefore m is nothing but np. So n value is how much here, 2000, into p value is 0.001. so on multiplying we'll get this one as 2. So m value is 2. So therefore p of x will become, m value is 2, so 2 raised to x e raised to minus 2 divided by x factorial. So this is the formula with x, because we know that x is number of trials here or number of success. Now read the question. So we need to find more than 2 will get a bad reaction, means more than 2, probability of more than 2. More than 2 means what here, p of x greater than 2. So more than 2 means what here, p of x greater than 2 means, greater than 2 means actually here what comes. So listen here. So p of x greater than 2 means we know that our n value is 2000. Greater than 2 means it will start from p of 2 plus p of 3 plus so on, it will end to p of 2000. So this is impossible, means very difficult to calculate. We need to start from greater than 2 means we have to, more than 2 means we need to work out p of 3, p of 4, p of 5, so on till what here, p of 2000. So instead of finding like that, this p of x greater than 2 can be written as, in short, 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 2. Okay, so remember this. Okay, how to simplify such kind of examples. So which can be written as 1 minus, so p of x less than or equal to means p of 0, p of 1 plus p of 2. So if you find this and subtract 1 minus this result, we'll get the answer and this answer, and if you find this answer, both will same. So this is a little bit a complicated version, so we have to convert and we have to proceed here. Okay, so therefore, so this p of x greater than 2, I will write it as 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 2, so which can be rewritten as 1 minus, this can be written as p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2, which is nothing but which is equal to 1 minus bracket of p of 0, means put x is equal to 0 here, so what will get 2 raised to 0 into e raised to minus 2 divided by 0 factorial because of p of 0, plus when x is 1, 2 raised to 1 e raised to minus 2 divided by 1 factorial, plus when x is 2, this is 2, when x is 2, that is 2 raised to 2 e raised to minus 2 divided by 2 factorial, so which is nothing but 1 minus e raised to minus 2, because 0 factorial is 1, leave it, plus 2 raised to 1 is 2 e raised to minus 2 divided by 1 factorial, plus 2 square means 4 e raised to minus 2 divided by 2 factorial is 2. So on simplification we'll get it as 1 minus, so e raised to minus 2, e raised to minus 2, e raised to minus 2, I will take e raised to minus 2 common, left 1 plus 2 upon 1 factorial, okay, 1 factorial plus 4 upon, I will mention 2 factorial only, so which is 1 minus e raised to minus 2, 1 plus 2 plus, so 4 upon 2, so which is nothing but 1 minus e raised to minus 2, so 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So on simplification 1 minus 5 times e raised to minus 2. So if you apply this result in the calculator, you will get the answer as 0.32. Okay, so this is a way you have to complete the problem.